Welcome to Immortal Realm. Starting our list with number 10, we have Immortal Nanny Dad. Yizun is a very powerful martial artist, but he died and he was reborn in a modern world in a man who accidentally died at the same time. Now the first thing he has to do is to babysit the little daughter of that man, Nuan Nuan. Yes, it's the same cultivation in the modern world type manhwa. So many of you guys were requesting me for a manhwa in which the main character is reincarnated into the modern world. So this manhwa sure is a good choice. The main character here is very overpowered and smart. He knows what to do, how to do and when to do. Let me tell you, the art is pretty decent. The story is just similar to all those cultivation type manhwas, except the main character here has to protect his little daughter. This manhwa currently has a lot of chapters, so if you have not read it, you can give this manhwa a try. Number 9 on our list is The Hunter. Chen Beiming was once a young and talented hunter of the Heavenly Alliance until he got betrayed and murdered by the Five Lords. He gets resurrected into the past while having his memory intact and swears that he will get revenge on all those people who betrayed him. With the help of his battle spirit, he once again ascends to become the strongest again. You will see how the main character uses everyone. The main character is strong. You can say he is overpowered. He is also a very intelligent and smart guy. The art here is pretty decent and I can say that this manhwa is really better than all those other cultivation type manhwas. Number 8 on our list is Doctor's Rebirth. I had been abroad to do medical volunteer work when I was swept up in a civil war. I was killed by a rebel soldier while taking a bullet for the patient, but when I finally woke up, I had become a child, and in front of me stood a destroyed carriage and a group of oddly dressed people who were unconscious. Is this a Murim world? Well, yes. As I hurried to perform first aid in an attempt to save even one person, I realized that this world is that of the Supreme Demon King, a Murim novel I have enjoyed reading. After meeting the rescue team of the 3 great doctors, I found out that one of the person I saved was the protagonist of this novel, the future Demon King, Yo Ha-run. Hey, since I'm indebted to you for saving me, call me Hyung, said the future Demon King. For saving his life, I became sworn brothers with the future Demon King. And Baek Ryeon-sun, one of the most knowledgeable people around, recognized my potential and took me in as his disciple. This is the story of how I became the greatest physician in Gangho. So this manhwa is a new manhwa and the story looks super awesome. The art is also good. Our main character here is smart and intelligent. You should definitely read this manhwa. Number 7 on our list is Proto-Stark Emperor. Su Xiaobai was on the brink of death when he was brought into a new world. The soul of the strongest evolver, King of Stars, Longming, now inhabits his body. Therefore, he has acquired an extremely powerful ability, the Endlessness of Dim. Now what does this ability do? Well, I cannot tell it here because that will ultimately spoil the fun. But there is only one drawback, and that is if Xiaobai ever gets a boner, he will experience severe pain. However, if he has found out the murderer of Longming and ascended the throne of Proto's palace, this weakness will disappear. Some of you were asking me for a manhwa which has harem in it, and yes, this manhwa has harem in it. And also, the art of this manhwa is really beautiful. The characters are okay, the main character is also decent, so overall, if you want to pass your time, then this is a good manhwa to read. Number 6 on our list is Strongest Fighter. It was a beautiful day and our main character was enjoying this holiday with his girlfriend. He was walking near the road when suddenly a truck came out of nowhere and got out of control, and in order to save his girlfriend's life, he threw himself in and ultimately died. But when he opens his eyes, he sees himself reborn in Jongnam clan, which was once one of the 9 strongest clans. He receives the name Ganchang and uses the knowledge of his past life to learn the true meaning of martial arts. He is probably one of the best main characters that I personally like because he is strong, he is intelligent, he is smart, and the best thing is he is very creative. He invents new methods, new ways to use martial arts. He once said that when your perspective is different, your martial art changes. Armed with knowledge, Gunchang brings about a new age of martial arts. The main character here is so overpowered that even many masters who are at a higher realm are not a match for him. This manhwa might be new, but it is gaining quite a lot of attraction. Number 5 on our list is this amazing manhwa known as Path of Shaman. It is said that if the Grim Reaper calls your name 3 times, you would be taken to the underworld. Haekyong Mugang, Haekyong Mugang, Haekyong Mug. By the time the Grim Reaper could complete calling the name of our main character, the main character swallows the hub of immortality, and when he finally opens his eyes, he sees himself surrounded by a bunch of old guys. And when he asks them that who am I? Where am I? Then he realizes that he is at the Shaman's mountain. And you know who this man was? This man was one of the most powerful and evil person in the world of Murim. He was so strong that even his name is enough to cause a lot of commotion. But now he is reborn into the body of this pitiful shaman boy. And this is how the journey of our main character, who now possesses the body of this weak shaman disciple, starts. Let me tell you, the main character is really funny, the art is awesome, and the story is really good. So make sure to give this manhwa a try. On number 4, we have Wu Ling Swordmaster. The love of his life killed him on their wedding night. However, the will of the heavens is unpredictable. Instead of following his body in death, he found himself reincarnated. Let's look at Mu Yan, who is our main character, and he bears the deep hatred of the blood and his thirst for revenge. Now, he is preparing to return to the Spirit Mountain even if it means he has to kill people to get there. The art, story, and the characters are pretty decent. Number 3 on our list is Second Life of a Gangster. Let me tell you, this is a school life action type manhwa. Age 41, Oh Jung Seok, a man who did all kind of misdeeds and put his life on the line for the organization to gain the highest position, but who knew that his end of life would be so miserable. Our main character, Jung Seok, dies and gets reborn in the past, to the time when he was enrolled at high school. He is given a second chance to correct all the wrongdoings that he did in the past. Will he be able to accomplish it? This manhwa might be new, but the art is very good, as well as the story is also awesome. The chapters are long and the main character is overpowered. So make sure to give it a read. Number 2 on our list is Medical Return. Medical Return is one of those underrated manhwas which everyone ignores. Even I was recommended this manhwa for the past 2 months, but I always ignored it. Until the previous month when I read this manhwa. Kim Jeon, who lived his life as a disreputable surgeon, gains a second chance to relive his life. He is sent back to his past middle school days, and from then he starts to live his life to its fullest. He used to play earlier and waste a lot of time, but now he studies non-stop, and his only goal is to become a dermatologist who makes a lot of money instead of the poor surgeon he was from the previous life. And you know what's the most interesting thing about this manhwa? That the main character is very intelligent. Teachers, doctors, surgeons, and even the friends of the main character cannot believe that this guy, who was one of the most dumbest kid in the class, became so smart. And on number 1 we have The Legendary Mechanic. You know, this is one of my favorite light novel. When I heard the news that this light novel is getting adapted into a manhwa, I was the most happiest person on this planet. And yes, the manhwa did not disappoint me. The chapters here are very long, and yes, it follows the light novel. Han Xiao, a veteran player of the game Galaxy, died unexpectedly in the middle of doing a leveling request. He was transmitted to the game world 10 years earlier, and he became an NPC with a player's panel and was reborn in the base of the game's villain. In order to survive, Han Xiao chose the mechanic occupation and concentrated on cultivation. Familiar with the iteration and rules of multiple versions of the game, he vowed to lead the army of machines, overthrow the villains, and rise from scratch to become the strongest. It is by far one of the best manhwas that released in 2021. There may be only 11 chapters, but they are super long chapters, and you are definitely going to enjoy it. That's all for today's video, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video. Have a very beautiful day.